I'm sitting in front of the Real Fyre G21, also known as the Real Fyre Contemporary Glass Burner. The Contemporary Glass Burner comes in 3 sizes. This set right here is an 18-inch burner. It also comes in a 24-inch burner and a 30-inch burner, as well as a see-through model. If you have a 2-sided firebox, you can install the see-through version of this. It's a stainless steel burner pan. It's highly polished. I'm going to bring you in for a closer look here in a moment. But it's got this reflective back and reflective front. So you get the flame reflection down here on the back, and sitting here above it, I see it reflecting on multiple surfaces. When I bring you in, you'll see what I mean. You also get the reflective qualities of whatever colored glass or fire gems that you have in the firebox. This is in a vent-free firebox made by Superior. There is no chimney, there is no flue. It's a vent-free box. It puts out a good amount of heat. These are available up to 40,000 BTUs of heat, and that's 99.9% efficient. So all that heat's going back into the room versus other fireplaces where a lot of that heat goes up the chimney. You can put whatever type of glass you want in here. They're made by the R.H. Peterson Company. We have several here in our showroom. They make really good, high-quality systems. We have them in hundreds of homes around the Phoenix area. We really like the Real Fyre brand. This particular set, without the fire glass, starts at about $1,600. You can install this in a home where you never have had a fireplace before. You could put it in a vent-free box like this Superior, or you could put it in an existing masonry fireplace. So let's bring you in here and take a closer look at the Real Fyre G21 Contemporary Glass Burner. Let's talk about a couple of the features. First off, you can get a better feel for what I was seeing next to it. The flames reflect off of the stainless backing, as well as we get the reflection of the rocks here. Again, this is an 18-inch. We have a burner underneath crystal clear fire glass right here. Amber mirrored fire glass down below. It does have a push button igniter and an on-off switch. You would only use the push button igniter once a year when you were lighting that pilot. It's very convenient to just hit that push button igniter. And then over here in this corner, we have a little toggle switch. And that toggle switch is how we turn our flame on and off. In our showroom, for convenience, because we demonstrate this so much, we keep this standing pilot lit, but you don't have to. You'll see that we can catch the reflections on these rocks even when it's off. That's what I really like about this. Behind here, this lifts up, and we have our gas valve, our safety controls, all behind this. I'm not gonna lift it up right now because it's very warm, but it literally lifts right up. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer.